Hi guys, this is me April. Today we're going to answer the basic addition. In basic addition guys, you need to memorize multiplication first. And of course master the hand calculations. Next is the regrouping multi-digit. So now we're going to answer adding fractions with unlike denominator. So now guys, we're gonna answer now. To answer, the rules is number one, there are rules in adding fraction in denominator. Adding fractions with unlike denominator. Number one, the rules is we need to find the common denominator. Number two, rename. Number three, add. Number four is simplify. That's the rule. That's the rules for adding fractions with unlike denominator. So let's start. The first is 4. Wait, I just forgot. Mama, what is this? 4 over 9 plus 1 over 3. We cannot answer, so let's see. We need to take a box with this and solve the problem. Like this. So, wait a minute. So, let's add the 9 multiplication and the 3 multiplication. First is the 9. So 9. And you need to add the comma. 9, 18, 27. Wait, I just forgot. It's the una 4. The una is 4.
For what?
For what? This?
Yes, of course, the 4.
I just wrong. Sorry, I just wrong.
Nung anong 4? Denominator man ang ko ano. Dili naman ka mag... Denominator.
Ang una?